Hi, welcome back to Crystal Rhinestone Boutique. Today we are going to show you how to use our HotFix tool. This is one of our HotFix tools. This is a Kandi. I use this tool in place of HotFix paper when I just want to add a little bling or a lot of bling to jeans or shirts or purses that I don't have a design for. So for instance, I bought this corset top. It was plain, but it had these little lines going across, so I just added an SS20 crystal Swarovski Rhinestone on here using the tool. I will show you how to do this on a pair of jeans. So that's my top, that's a finished product. Here are the jeans that I bought. These were completely plain, but I added a side already of a fleur-de-lis, and I'll show you this template also. So today I'm going to show you how to do this side and add the bling. I added to the belt loops. Okay, for this project I will show you what tools you need first. I already showed you the HotFix tool. Before you plug this in, you put your tip into here, you just screw it in. So we're using an SS20, so there's an SS20 tip. There is a plug, so you plug it in, and then there's an on-off switch. It is now on. Our first bag of Crystal Swarovski Hot Fix is SS20. This is 1 gross. For the fleur-de-lis, you will need 1 gross. It depends also on your size and how much you're covering of the pocket. If you're doing the whole pocket or half, I did a quarter. I'll show you that in a moment. So that all depends on what you're using. So I ended up using 1 gross on my jeans. You will need the magic tray. You put your rhinestones in there, and you just give it a shake, and then the rhinestones will flip right side up. So it will be ready for you when your tool grabs it. You will need our tweezers. This releases the rhinestone from the tool. Here's the fleur-de-lis template I used for the project. And also, we do not sell these, but you can get these at any store. I use a white eyeliner pencil, and the reason why is these jeans are very dark and you need to see your dots of your design. So we'll just poke through there. So that's the tools that you'll need for this project. I just wanted to let you know that these HotFix tools work like a glue gun. They get very hot, so I would not touch below the purple. I am going to do the belt loop first. We have our tip in here, and we have our rhinestones facing up. To pick it up, you just tap it in here. So it's going to go like this. Tap. You flip it right side up and you look to see the glue melting. I like to wait about 20 seconds. I like my glue very hot, especially on jeans. This is a thick material. So while the glue is melting, I will also explain that when you plug this in, you should let this heat up for about 15 minutes. So it's nice and hot. So my glue is wet. I'll take my tweezers and I'm going to get ready to place this. To place it, just set it on here, hold it in place, use your tweezer to release. There's a little slit in here, and you just put the tweezers in there and you lift straight up on the tool. The tool instructions say you do not need to have anything to release it, but I found that I prefer to release it with something so I know it's not going to stick back in here. So after that's been released, I just kind of set it in place again. Now, if for any reason your rhinestone has moved and it's not in the place you want it to be, you can put the tool straight back on the rhinestone. You heat it up for a second, And you can kind of move it around with this, or you can release it again and move it quickly with your tweezers. Do not touch the rhinestones, they are hot. Okay, I have just completed the belt loops. Now we are going to start on the fleur-de-lis. As I said before, I already did this side of the pocket. I used our template of the fleur-de-lis. I placed it on there and I outlined it with my eyeliner pencil. And to do that, you just dot in the little holes. So, since I already did this side, I didn't do the whole fleur-de-lis. I had some cutting off on the pocket. When you do the other side, if you do two pockets, you need to make sure that it is lined up correctly, so a mirror image of what you did on this side. Okay, so I have pressed and the stencil onto my jean, and I have put all my dots into the holes of the stencil. So I lift this up and now you can see my fleur-de-lis. Okay. We have our tool that's plugged in and on and ready to go. If you need to flip your rhinestones over, you just give this a shake and they'll flip over. I have enough flipped over for now. So again, you tap and lift, turn over until it gets nice and wet. Don't know if you can see the bubbling a little. So I wait until it bubbles and then it's completely slick and wet through the whole rhinestone. Especially for thick cotton like this, like jeans, I would make sure that it's completely hot. With a regular cotton t-shirt, I don't wait as long. So I'm going to say that's pretty good. And we will put it, we'll start here. So you just set it on your first dot. Put your tweezer through your slit. Lift straight up. Press on the rhinestone to place it. Make sure it's set. Tap, pick up. I like to start from down to up. Tap it onto the next circle. Hold in place. And you don't have to worry about lifting this tool up. It won't burn your clothes unless you leave it sitting there for minutes, but seconds won't hurt anything. Hope you enjoyed our video and thank you for watching. I just wanted to show you the completed outfit. Here's the top. And here's the back. So we hope you have fun and come see us again.